Hey y'all, it's Kat with the Peaceful Unity System, Peaceful Unity DID System. I'm the host. Yay, hi, how are you? And we're trying to figure out how to link some music that we made. We have written several songs, especially since becoming system aware. And, well, we wrote a lot of lyrics. We haven't written any songs because we don't know how to write music. But, yeah, we found an AI app last night that will take your lyrics and turn them into actual songs. And you pick the genre, you pick the style, and the music is all yours. And we really like how they came out. We have a 6-song playlist that is DID based, that all of the lyrics were written by us, and we're trying to figure out how to upload it to TikTok because we're kind of proud of them and we really want to share them. So if I can figure it out, be looking for it. I will link it. Take care. Bye.